Welcome to the KTG612 channel. Today's the day we do the drawing for the backpack.
I'm a starter, right? Yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up all of mine. I can't let you go, I'm right here, baby.
Thank you everyone who participated.
Subscribe,
Everybody watching, like,
hit the notification bell.
and share to everybody you know. Now let's see who's the winner. Ooh.
2 wheels for real.
We'll reach out to you to get your information.
If you want to see more videos of us, check out Vivi and the Fam.
Thanks for subscribing and liking. Please make sure you watch all our videos and make sure you all comment.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.